showed my face on here, but I thought it was time for another video because I keep hearing this question, and it is, why is my sugar cookie dough so crumbly? So today I'm going to answer that for you in the best way I know how and give you some tips on how to prevent that and also fix it if your cookie dough is already crumbly and you want to try to save it. It's called How to Make the Best Sugar Cookies. Let's get started. So one reason your sugar cookie dough might be crumbly is because your butter was too cold when you mixed it up. Another reason might be too much flour. Never fear, you can fix it. Another reason your sugar cookie dough is crumbly might be over mixing. Another reason cookie dough might be crumbly is if you've left the dough in the fridge too long. But most likely, adding a little bit of liquid will help get your dough back together like you need it.